Looking for a way to make the most out of your limited kitchen footprint? Avantco Countertop Convection ovens offer a convenient and affordable way to do just that. Avantco offers quarter, half, and full-size countertop convection ovens to suit any space. The CO14 quarter-size oven can hold 3 quarter-size sheet pans and is great for quickly whipping up 12-inch pizzas. The half-size unit comes in 3 different options to fit your needs. The CO16 has a 1.5 cubic foot cavity, while the CO28 has a 2.3 cubic foot cavity and more power. The CO32 oven is identical to the CO28, but has an added steam injection feature. All of these models accommodate up to 4 half-size sheet pans, offering a ton of cooking versatility for creating signature baked goods, sandwiches, and more. For the most versatility and the highest output, the CO46 full-size unit is 208 240 volt and powered by 3500 to 4600 watts. The CO46 is capable of holding 4 full-size sheet pans. This model gives you the output you'd expect from a standard oven and a more convenient countertop footprint. This oven is equipped with 2 fans which allow for even heat distribution for large batches. Plus, the full-size oven is complete with steam functionality, allowing you to retain the vibrant colors and natural moisture of your foods. All Avantco countertop convection ovens feature a cool-touch dual-pane glass door to ensure safety in your kitchen while providing a clear look into the oven. Plus, powerful fans located in the back of each oven help distribute the hot air so you get that fast, even cooking you're looking for from your convection oven. The controls allow you to set the timer to 120 minutes and the temperature between 150 and 550 degrees Fahrenheit. In addition, every Avantco convection oven is ETL and CE listed. Add an Avantco countertop convection oven to your lineup to help keep up with customer demand while staying within your budget.